I'm feeling great, finally coming back home and have a great chance to finish my career at home. It's probably my last season. I'm still thinking about next year, but for this moment, I feel like this is the last season. I don't know yet. It's a lot of years in front of me. I'm gonna change my occupation. I'm not gonna be a player anymore. So I still think that I'm gonna be connected to the basketball somehow. I don't know yet. There is a couple ways to continuation with my career, either to be in a basketball like full time or be with no basketball at all.